Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenak Ïalehkai ke Sarkar Jylla baru balong ru MLA ke Mauthat Ration Constituency haba jubab halor ke jing penlet jing mot kambun ke Sarkar Jylla ha ke badai bat ke kam Ïalehkai football ha ke jing Ïalehkai cricket na kaliang jok u loong bakalong ke basngotenat ban pentim ba ke klik nong penyat je ke jing Ïalehkai cricket na ke Bcci kala Mang ban Shna je ke Madan Ïalehkai cricket Madan Kurkalang boy rembong na ke benta ke jing Ïalehkai ke bak ham he habaya keren bekilat pathai kubor menta ka sngi tho ding ke khat nyo tarik ujemang arajar ar pusau uba Shakliar uloong ba ke sarkar kamshim la phai khmat ni penlet jing mut tang se ke jing Ïalehkai football hinrei ka phai khmat ru se ke jing Ïalehkai cricket but kiwei ki jat jing Ïalehkai.
I'll be very happy to inform you that I think that is entirely, I will not say, not to be rude or anything, not say it's wrong, but would be happy to inform you that Bcci has taken a stadium at Madan Kurkalang, which we are planning for a very big cricket stadium. So it's not that we're looking only at football. We do have a plan in place for cricket as well, and many disciplines. We talk about swimming pool, we are planning for swimming pools, we're planning for tennis. So there are so many things that we're planning. So it's not entirely that our focus is only on football, but our focus is on sports as a whole.
So this Bcci
Right now I cannot say much because everything is in talks, we're still in discussion. So once everything is final, then only I can give you a proper statement. But we are coming up, we are in talks to come up with a big cricket stadium in Riboy area.
by when is it likely?
I would say it'll take some time, about 2 to 3 months to finalize everything. I just told you, you'll have to give me some time. We are still in talks, so nothing is finalized as of now. So once things are finalized, I will definitely let you know.